This is the area where you put a screwdriver in horizontally, push in on the red where the tab is, where it's marked in red with the side of the screwdriver blade, and use the flat part of the screwdriver to push the body of the connector back towards the wires where the wires are coming into it. You push towards the wires. So push it in with the side of the blade on the red part, and at the same time pushing back or away from you with the middle of the flat part of the screwdriver blade, while at the same time pulling on the connector with the other hand. This will remove the connector.